In today's automotive world, imagination meets innovation as we explore the extraordinary Bugatti Motorhome Luxury Supercar Double-Decker 2026, a vehicle that challenges everything we know about luxury and performance. The moment you set your eyes on it, you realize this is not just a car, it's a statement of futuristic engineering and elegance. The glossy ultra-shiny white and black dual-tone finish instantly grabs attention, reflecting perfection from every angle. Its double darker aesthetics give it an aggressive yet elegant appeal, balancing power with prestige. Every curve, every edge, every reflection seems sculpted by artistry and advanced aerodynamics. As the camera moves closer, you see the breathtaking design lines flow seamlessly, from the signature Bugatti grille to the streamlined tail lights that redefine automotive design precision. The double-decker concept elevates luxury to an entirely new level. It's not just a supercar, it's a rolling palace of technology and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic dashboard that feels more like the cockpit of a spacecraft. High-definition digital panels, touch-sensitive controls, and ambient lighting surround the driver in an environment that's both intelligent and inviting. The soft leather, carbon fiber inserts, and metallic trims give an impression that Bugatti engineers and designers have merged art with science. The upper deck adds another layer of opulence, a panoramic space designed for relaxation, enhanced with smart glass and acoustic perfection. On the performance side, the Bugatti Motorhome Double-Decker 2026 doesn't just impress visually, it dominates mechanically. Powered by an advanced hybrid electric system, this supercar brings together electric silence and Bugatti's signature roar of power. The acceleration is instant, the handling is razor-sharp, and the ride feels like gliding on air. The suspension and adaptive control systems ensure that no matter the terrain, you experience stability, grace, and total command. Every technological innovation seems to serve one purpose: to make driving this vehicle an experience beyond imagination. As the camera glides across the glossy body, the reflections of light play like a visual symphony. The white luxury showroom perfectly amplifies the Bugatti's dual-tone brilliance, creating a cinematic feel that highlights its premium design. The Bugatti emblem glows proudly, symbolizing legacy and innovation intertwined. This is not just transportation, it's transformation, a glimpse into the future of what luxury vehicles will become. From its advanced interior systems to its aerodynamic artistry, the Bugatti Motorhome Luxury Supercar Double-Decker 2026 defines what next-generation automotive excellence looks like. If luxury, technology, and design had a meeting point, it would be right here in this masterpiece. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't simply made for the road, it's crafted for visionaries, for those who dream.